hesitation when your legs just don't feel as strong and reliable as they used to. These aren't just minor annoyances, they're signals from your body. Quiet but persistent cries for help, letting you know that something deeper might be off in your circulation, your nerve health, or your connective tissues. Now here's the good news. What if the key to fighting back wasn't locked away in a pill bottle or hidden in a complicated supplement routine? What if the answer was waiting for you right in the produce aisle of your local grocery store? Today, we're revealing 8 specific vegetables that are packed with the exact nutrients your body needs to build collagen, strengthen your nerves, and improve blood flow to your hands and feet. These vegetables don't contain collagen themselves, but they provide the building blocks your body uses to create it on its own. This is about giving your body the raw materials it needs to repair and maintain itself. By the end of this video, you'll have a delicious, colorful, and powerful shopping list for building stronger, more comfortable legs and hands. First up on our list is the vibrant bell pepper, especially the red and yellow varieties. Bell peppers are one of the richest sources of vitamin C on the planet, and this matters more than you might think. Vitamin C isn't just an immune booster, it's absolutely essential for collagen synthesis. You see, collagen is the scaffolding that holds your body together. It strengthens your skin, your blood vessels, your joints, and the protective sheaths around your nerves. Without enough vitamin C, your body's collagen-making machinery just doesn't turn on. Think of vitamin C as the switch that activates your internal collagen factories. And guess what? Just half a cup of sliced red bell pepper gives you over 150% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C. That's powerful. You can enjoy them raw with a healthy dip like hummus, roast them to bring out their sweetness, or toss them into an omelet or stir-fry. Bonus tip: want even more absorption? Pair your bell pepper with a healthy fat like avocado or olive oil. It helps your body absorb the fat-soluble antioxidants also present in these peppers. Now let's move to another green powerhouse, broccoli. Broccoli isn't just a cruciferous vegetable, it's a collagen-supporting superstar. Like bell peppers, it's loaded with vitamin C, but also includes sulforaphane, a plant compound that supports detoxification and helps reduce inflammation, both of which play a role in keeping nerves healthy and your blood flowing freely. Vitamin C from broccoli works just like it does with bell peppers. It fuels your body's ability to produce collagen for stronger blood vessels, more flexible joints, and well-insulated nerves. Half a cup of cooked broccoli offers about 70 milligrams of vitamin C, and it's incredibly easy to enjoy. Lightly steaming it preserves most of the vitamin C while making it easier on the digestive system. You can also chop it raw into a slaw with some lemon juice and olive oil for an energizing side dish. Extra tip: lightly steaming, not boiling, helps preserve those delicate nutrients. If you overcook it, the vitamin C can get destroyed, so keep it vibrant and green. Third on our list is the humble but mighty spinach. Spinach is often celebrated for its iron content, but when it comes to collagen production and nerve health, its true value lies in its combination of vitamin C, iron, magnesium, and antioxidants like lutein. Magnesium is essential for nerve signaling, while iron helps deliver oxygen to your tissues. Without these, your nerves can become sluggish and your muscles weak. And here's a powerful synergy: the vitamin C in spinach actually boosts iron absorption, so eating it raw or lightly cooked allows you to benefit from both nutrients working in tandem. Just 1 cup of raw spinach delivers about 8 milligrams of vitamin C, along with a whole spectrum of micronutrients. Toss it into a smoothie, saute it briefly with garlic, or add it to a morning omelet. Pro tip: want maximum benefit? Add a squeeze of lemon to your sautéed spinach. The extra vitamin C supercharges iron absorption, a great way to support both your nerves and your energy levels. Let's keep the green momentum going with another powerful ally, kale. Kale is a dark, leafy green loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese, all of which support collagen synthesis and protect against oxidative stress, which can damage nerves over time. It also has a generous dose of fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar, crucial for nerve health, especially if you're managing diabetes or pre-diabetes. With about 80 milligrams of vitamin C in just 1 cup of raw kale. This is an easy win for your grocery cart. Massage the leaves with olive oil and lemon juice to make them tender and delicious in a salad, or toss kale into soups and stews for an easy boost. Bonus insight: look for curly kale with firm, dark green leaves. The darker the color, the more concentrated the antioxidants. And if raw kale feels too tough, baking it into crispy chips is a fun and tasty alternative. Now it's time to spotlight a veggie that's a little sweet and a lot powerful: sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, key player in skin and nerve repair, but they also contain vitamin C and potassium. The potassium helps regulate nerve signals and muscle contractions, keeping your legs feeling steady and responsive. A medium sweet potato gives you nearly 40% of your daily vitamin C, plus a soothing source of complex carbs for steady energy. Roast them, mash them with cinnamon, or cube them into soups and stews. Extra tip: leaving the skin on gives you extra fiber. Just scrub them well before cooking. And when you pair sweet potatoes with a source of healthy fat, like a drizzle of avocado oil, you boost absorption of the vitamin A. Let's turn our attention to a spicy little root with big benefits: radishes. Radishes might surprise you, but these crisp, peppery vegetables are rich in vitamin C, as well as natural compounds like anthocyanins that reduce inflammation and support healthy circulation. This is essential when it comes to delivering nutrients and oxygen to the small nerves in your hands and feet. Because tingling often stems from poor blood flow or nerve compression, radishes are a fantastic, underappreciated vegetable to include regularly. Just 1 cup of sliced radishes provides around 17 milligrams of vitamin C, and they're super easy to enjoy raw, in salads, slaws, or even just sliced with a sprinkle of sea salt and lemon juice. Bonus value: choose radishes with firm, smooth skin and bright green tops. They'll be the freshest. Don't throw away those greens either. You can sauté them like spinach for a bonus nutrient hit. Next up is a vegetable that's as crunchy as it is healing: cabbage. Cabbage, especially red cabbage, is packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, and powerful antioxidants like anthocyanins. It's an inflammation fighter, a digestion booster, and, you guessed it, a collagen-supporting food. Red cabbage, in particular, delivers over 50 milligrams of vitamin C per cooked cup, but it also supports connective tissue health by protecting the delicate lining of your blood vessels and nerves. That means more reliable circulation and reduced risk of nerve-related symptoms like numbness or weakness. Cabbage is incredibly versatile. Shred it into salads, stir-fry it, or ferment it into sauerkraut, which also gives you gut-healthy probiotics to enhance nutrient absorption. Pro tip: if eating raw cabbage causes bloating, lightly steam or sauté it. This keeps most of the vitamin C intact while making it gentler on digestion. And remember, red cabbage has more antioxidants than green. Our 7th star is a brilliant orange root vegetable: carrots. Carrots are another powerful source of beta-carotene, which, like sweet potatoes, gets converted to vitamin A, essential for nerve repair and eye health. But carrots also bring a solid dose of vitamin C, and they're one of the easiest vegetables to snack on daily. Vitamin A helps maintain the protective myelin sheath around your nerves. Think of it like the insulation on an electrical wire. Without it, nerve signals can become weak or garbled, leading to that frustrating tingling or numbness. 1 cup of chopped raw carrots gives you about 12 milligrams of vitamin C and a hearty dose of beta-carotene. Enjoy them raw with hummus, roasted with garlic, or blended into a creamy soup. Extra tip: to unlock more of the beta-carotene, cook your carrots lightly in a little olive oil. It enhances absorption and adds a delicious richness to the flavor. And finally, our 8th vegetable is one that deserves way more credit than it gets: Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are like tiny cabbages, but even more nutrient-dense. They're loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and alpha-lipoic acid, a compound known for its nerve-protecting properties. In fact, alpha-lipoic acid is often used in clinical settings to help manage nerve pain and tingling in people with diabetes. Just half a cup of cooked Brussels sprouts gives you about 50 milligrams of vitamin C, and their dense fiber content supports gut health and detoxification, both important for overall inflammation control and nutrient absorption. You can roast them with a bit of balsamic glaze, shred them raw into a slaw, or even air fry them for a crispy, crave-worthy snack. Pro insight: when buying Brussels sprouts, choose small, tight heads. They're sweeter and less bitter. And if you've had them boiled and hated them, try roasting. It transforms their flavor and brings out their natural sweetness. So, there you have it. 8 vegetables that don't contain collagen themselves, but provide your body with the essential building blocks to make it. That's the difference between chasing symptoms and giving your body the tools to rebuild from the inside out. Let's take a moment to reflect on what you've just discovered, because this isn't just a list of vegetables. It's a toolbox. Each one of these nutrient-rich foods plays a unique and powerful role in restoring strength, stability, and sensation to your hands and legs. Red bell peppers light the spark of collagen creation with their vitamin C. Broccoli brings anti-inflammatory strength and detox power. Spinach delivers oxygen to your tissues while helping nerves fire with clarity. Kale brings in antioxidants and connective tissue support with every crunchy bite. Sweet potatoes offer nerve-regenerating vitamin A and soothing potassium. Radishes help your blood flow and cool inflammation. Cabbage guards your vessels and nerves with its vibrant antioxidants. Carrots protect your nerve sheaths and restore that electrical signal. And Brussels sprouts, well, they're like little doctors, packing in collagen cofactors and nerve support compounds all in one tight little package. This isn't just nutrition. This is self-care at a cellular level. You're not passively waiting for change. You're participating in your body's healing process, one forkful at a time. You see, when you feed your body these powerful plant-based nutrients, you're telling your nervous system, "I've got your back." You're rebuilding the insulation that helps your nerve fire properly. You're improving the flexibility and strength of your blood vessels, allowing circulation to reach all the way to your fingers and toes. You're creating an environment inside your body where healing can begin and where it can continue. And here's the empowering truth: those sensations, the tingling, the numbness, the occasional weakness in your legs, they don't have to be permanent. They're not a sentence. They're a signal, a call to action. By choosing foods that help your body produce collagen and fight inflammation, you're taking that call seriously. You're building a future where your hands are steady, your legs are reliable, and you move through your day with confidence and comfort. This isn't just about vegetables, it's about power, your power. To make choices that nourish, strengthen, and heal, you have everything you need to begin today. Right in your fridge, right in your garden, right at your local farmer's market. Now, if you found this guide helpful and are ready to put it into action, Please do us a favor and hit the like button and subscribe to our Stronger After 60 channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss another tip that helps you live stronger, healthier, and more comfortably, right where you are. And we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to cook with vegetables? Share your recipes and tips in the comments below, because when we share our wisdom, we help everyone rise together. And if you're looking for more details, helpful links, or printable guides, be sure to check the description box. We've packed it full of extra resources just for you. Stay strong, eat well, and we'll see you in the next video.